Come on, guys, no be smarting. Hold up, I'm gonna play the rest of the clip for us to take a look at the rest of the moment. Few minutes ago, an hour ago, I shared the video for you guys. The video was live in Lagos. The video signed a multi-million contract alongside with the likes of Obi Kubana. They were there, they really had a good time, and I heard this contract is going to be beneficial to the Nigerian youth. A lot of reactions coming from a lot of people. After signing the deal, Davido was gifted a brand new car. You can see David receiving his car. Enjoy the rest of the moment Davido had, and share your thoughts on this contract of Davido with Cig Motors. They said this contract is going to be beneficial to the Nigerian youth. What do you think will be the benefit of sales of the Nigerian youth on this contract of Davido with the Cig Motors? What are your thoughts? Let me know via the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the clip. I remain your favorite Big Viking. I'm out.
Big fish. Big fish.